Yaman and Demet Özdemir. Reunion that shook hearts everywhere. What happens when two stars, once bound by love, face each other after years of silence? Can a mother's desperate plea mend broken bonds? And what secrets lie behind the tears that captured the world's attention? Buckle up, magazine news and gossip fans, because the story of Yaman and Demet Özdemir's emotional reunion is about to take you on a roller coaster of feelings, regrets, and hope that's impossible to ignore. A mother's mission to heal a family. The entertainment world is no stranger to drama, but nothing could have prepared us for the heart-wrenching reunion of Yaman and Demet Özdemir, orchestrated by none other than Cannes' fierce and loving mother, Güldem Yaman. For years, fans of this iconic duo, once the heartbeat of romantic dramas, watched their love story unravel off-screen, leaving behind a trail of heartbreak and unanswered questions. But Güldem, a woman whose love for her son knows no bounds, decided enough was enough. Picture this, a quiet morning in Istanbul, where Güldem sat in her cozy, elegant home, her heart heavy with worry for her son. Cannes' life had been a whirlwind of chaos lately. His highly publicized romance with Sarah Bluma had crashed and burned, leaving his career in tatters and his family ties strained. What pushed my son to this point? Güldem whispered to herself. Who loved him fiercely, who valued him truly? Demet. And look at him now. With fire in her heart, Güldem picked up the phone and reached out to Demet Özdemir. It wasn't an easy call. Demet, guarded and hesitant, questioned the point of revisiting a past filled with pain. Why now, after all these years? She asked, her voice laced with doubt. But Güldem's words carried the weight of a mother's love. This isn't just for Cannes. It's for my grandson, for you, for all of us. Please come. Those words struck a chord, and Demet, despite her reservations, agreed to meet. The reunion that stopped time. The stage was set in Güldem's modest yet sophisticated Istanbul home, tucked away in a serene neighborhood. The air was thick with anticipation as Cannes and Demet faced each other for the first time in years. For a few agonizing minutes, no one spoke. Their eyes locked, telling stories their lips couldn't yet form. It was as if time itself paused, holding its breath for what would come next. Cannes broke the silence, his voice trembling with raw emotion. Demet, I have so much to say, but let me start with this. I messed up. I hurt you. I didn't just betray you. I betrayed myself. His words hung in the air, heavy with regret. Demet's eyes shimmered with tears, not of anger, but of a longing so deep it seemed to echo through the years they'd spent apart. Those tears spoke of love that hadn't fully faded, of pain that hadn't fully healed. When Demet finally spoke, her voice quivered with a mix of strength and vulnerability. You didn't just forget me, Cannes. You forgot us. Our son. When you fell head over heels for Sarah, you didn't just break my heart. You left our son without a father. I needed a partner, someone to lean on. Cannes had bowed, his own tears betraying the weight of her words. I know, he whispered. It's too late to undo the past, but I'm here now. I want to be in our son's life. I want to make this right. A mother's wisdom sparks hope. Güldem, watching this heart-wrenching exchange, stepped in with words that could move mountains. Years ago, when I saw you two laughing together at my table, I thought, this is family. Today, we're here again, and I still believe it. Your pain runs deep, but isn't your love even deeper? Her voice was a soothing balm, calming the storm raging in both their hearts. Demet lowered her gaze, as if Güldem's words had quieted the chaos within her. She wasn't ready to leap back into Cannes' arms. Too much had happened for that. But for the sake of their son, she was willing to take a step forward. "Can, this isn't about us getting back together," she said firmly. "This is about responsibility. If you want to be part of our son's life, you need to earn my trust first, and then his heart." Ken nodded, determination flashing in his eyes. "I'll do whatever it takes," he vowed. The fallout that shook the internet. As if this reunion wasn't explosive enough, the drama spilled onto social media when Sarah Bluma, Ken's former flame, posted a cryptic message. "Some people can't escape their past. I'm walking my path alone." The post sent shockwaves through the internet, confirming what many suspected: Ken and Sarah's relationship was officially over. For Ken, this was a turning point. His focus was clear: rebuild his bond with his son and regain Demet's trust. The news of the reunion spread like wildfire. Tabloids couldn't get enough, and social media erupted with the hashtag #DemCan trending worldwide. Fans poured out their emotions. "They've always belonged together," one tweeted. "Güldem is the real MVP of this family," another wrote. "Ken's eyes said everything." "Demet's tears broke my heart," commented a fan, summing up the raw emotion of the moment. A mother's heart and a story unfinished. As the evening drew to a close, Güldem sat alone in her quiet home, her heart lighter, but still heavy with hope. She opened her diary and penned words that captured the essence of the day. "Bringing them face to face was a gamble, but my heart knew it was right. They may not be reconciled today, but they listened. They may not have forgiven, but they've begun. And that's enough to soothe a mother's soul." This reunion wasn't just a moment. It was a spark that reignited hope for one of the most beloved love stories of our time. Ken Yaman's determination to right his wrongs and Demet Özdemir's strength as a mother proved that love, though battered, doesn't vanish easily. A family, though fractured, doesn't break so simply. The final chapter of this saga is still unwritten, but one thing is certain: the journey has begun anew. Will Ken earn back the trust he lost? Can Demet open her heart again, even just a little? And what role will Güldem play as the anchor of this family? Stay tuned, magazine news and gossip fans, because this story is far from over. Why this matters to you? This isn't just celebrity gossip. It's a story about love, loss, and the courage to start over. It's about a mother's unwavering belief in her family and the power of second chances. At Magazine News and Gossip, we're not just here to report the drama. We're here to dive into the emotions, the stakes, and the human moments that make these stories resonate with you. What do you think, dear followers? Are you rooting for Ken and Demet to find their way back to each other? Or is Demet's caution the right call? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep this conversation buzzing. If you love this deep dive into the reunion that's got everyone talking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive stories from Magazine News and Gossip. We love you all, and we can't wait to bring you the next chapter of this unforgettable saga.